Hello and welcome, you're watching Far From Home Kitchen. Today we're going to make cream corn soup with homemade stock, which is a really nice and simple easy dish to make and really enjoyable. Okay, first I'm going to make the stock. Here I have a 900 gram medium sized chicken. I'm going to remove the skin. Half the chicken I'm going to debone for another dish, so we have extra bones to make the stock, and then the other half to make another dish as well. Okay, so we're going to remove the excess fat from this chicken, and we're going to remove the rectum area. We're going to remove the neck as well. So we're just going to remove some of the last skin remaining on the chicken, and then chop up the bones. Always chop it back of the cleaver. Here it gives you more strength, and then it will not ruin your knife. After this, I'm going to cut up some vegetables for the stock. Here I have celery, onions, and carrots, which are three classic vegetables you can use for stock. You can use other vegetables as you wish. Just need to cut them into rough sized pieces. And while the vegetables are cutting, I've blanched the chicken bones in a pot of water. Just going to drain it and then wash around 2 to 3 times. The reason we're doing this is to make the stock more clear. And don't worry about the flavor, you will not lose much flavor doing this. We're going to add the vegetables into the pot with some black peppercorns and then bring it to boil. Remove the impurities from the top and then let it simmer for around 35 minutes. After which we're just going to strain it through a strainer. We're going to push the vegetables to the back of the ladle so all the flavors are extracted and into the stock. We're going to put the stock back into the pot. Add 1 can of cream style corn. At the same time we prepare some cornstarch water. We're going to add them in several different stages so you can test the consistency. And remember to always stir while adding the cornstarch water so it's not lump. We're going to season with salt and lots of crushed black peppercorn. This is really important. We're going to add 1 can of corn. This is corn, not cream style corn. So you get different textures. And this is roughly the consistency we're looking for. At this time you can add 2 egg whites, stir in while you add the egg whites. Lastly, we add in some toasted sesame oil for extra flavor and serve with chopped green onions on top. Hope you enjoy this nourishing and comforting soup recipe, and please do subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.